Welcome back, students. So here I have shown you the in previous video how to construct the table. So these three columns, how to fill these columns. So now we'll see what will happen after constructing the table, how it will be useful for accepting the string. So let me explain with one example. Here I have taken one example, how to calculate, how to accept the string. So here what I'm going to do is, so here the string, these are the rules. From these rules I have produced one string, that is A, B and B. So S tends to A tends to small a and small this B. Okay, here I have taken A tends to A. Okay, here I have to take, that is A, and here it is B. So B is the string I have taken here. Okay, so for accepting the string, here we need to check, that is the stack. We need to three columns we have to take: stack, one input, and what action we need to do. So stack, we are starting with 0, and input is, you know already, that is ABB, and the for here also we need to take $1. And here, using the table, for the particular 0 and A, what is the input, what action we need to take. So we will go to the table. So 0 input under A. So what action we need to take? S3. Okay, that is shifting. We need to take the action shift 3. That is. So same I have written here, that is S3. That means we need to shift the input with this number. Okay. So 0 as it is, I have shifted this input from here to here, A, and this number also we need to take, we need to consider this number also. So 3 I have considered. Okay, so here for 3, and it is B. Okay, so again we will go to the, for the last 3, stack always work like this, no? So this is the dollar. Okay, under this it is 0, so here A, and it is 3. Okay, so here it is 3, and we are taking the string, that is input is digit is B now. So 3B. So we will go to the table for action, that state 3 and B. So what is the S4 is the action. So we need to write S4. Okay, that means here also we need to shift it. So same as it is 0 A3, we are shifting this B here, and with this B also we need to shift the 4 also. Okay, we need to shift the 4. Okay, I have shifted it. Okay, the 4 also I have shifted it here. So after shifting for 4 and B, we need to check in the table. 4 under the B, so reduce 3. Okay, so what is the rule number 3? So rule number 3 is A tends to B. So in here you just write the first production is equal to S tends to AA. Okay, if you don't forget, this is the first rule. Okay, this is the first rule, and A tends to, this is A, small a, and capital A. This is the second rule. Okay, this is the second rule, and A tends to B. This is the third rule. Okay, you just remember this. Okay, A tends to, rule number 3 means A tends to B. Okay, so A tends to B, that means instead of B we need to reduce this to A, we need to write A. Okay, so that means here what we need to do, here instead of in the place of B we need to write A. Okay, for reducing we will reduce these two symbols, so I have written A. Okay, so I have written A. For this A, what we need to write, number also we need to take, no? So which number we need to take? Here 3 and A. Okay, before A, what is the number? What was the number? That is 3. 3 and A, just go to the table. 3 and A, what is the number? 6. So I have written here 3 and A. Here I have to write the 6 number. Okay, here I have to write the 6 number. And so here the stack is like this now, A and 6. So 6, what is the input string? B. So here just go 6 input string is B. What is the reduce to? That action I need to take reduce to. So what is the reduce to? Rule number 2, A tends to AA. Okay. So A tends to AA. Here two symbols. One symbol is there. We are reducing number and that input. Okay. Here A. So where it is A and A. With these four we need to reduce. Okay. In place of this, I need to write capital A. Okay, we are reducing the string A. Instead of A, we are writing this. Okay, so A and A, we are writing A. Okay, so here number, how to take this is 0. For 0 and A, just check it out from the table. 0 and A, 2 is there. Okay, we need to write 0A and 2 we need to write here. Okay, so this we have already pop. So stack is now like this. Stack is 0 and this is A and 2. 0, A and 2. Okay. And for 2, the B, we need to check from the table. State 2 and B. So it is S4. Okay. So just write it out. It is S4. That means we need to shift it. So 0A2 as it is, I have written this B, we will shift with the number that is 4. Okay. And now 4 and dollar. This is 4 and dollar reduce 3. Okay. Rule number 3. So 4 and dollar we need to write rule number 3. Rule number 3 means A tends to B. Instead of A we need to, instead of B we need to write A. Okay. So here instead of B, this 2, I have reduced it to A. Okay. Number, how can we take? 2 and A, we will check it out. 2 and A, 2 and A, this is 5. So I have written 2A, I have written the 5 here. Okay. So here again we need to check 2A, and again it is 5. It has the stack. The stack 5 and dollar we need to check. So 5 and dollar, it is 5 and dollar, rule number 1. Okay. What is the rule number 1? S tends to A. Okay. Here two symbols. So 4 we need to reduce. That means A. This A and this A. Including these numbers, we will reduce it. Okay. To S. Okay. So 0, I have written AS, and 0 and S. What is this 0 and S? What is the number 1? So I have written 1. Okay. And 1 and dollar. 1 and dollar, that is accept. Okay. The string is accepted here. Here what we need to check, that means here if there is any conflict, two shift statements here are shift reduce statements in one column. If there are two entries, then it is called conflict. Okay, instead of S3 here also I got some R1. Okay, this is called shift reduce conflict. Okay, instead of S here also I am getting one more shift, that is S5 I got. Okay, this is called shift conflict. Okay, so shift reduce and shift conflict, maybe if it is occurred, then it is not a SLR1 grammar. If there is no and conflicts occur, then it is called uh, SLR1 grammar. We will consider like this. In the next video, we will discuss one more example, and also we will discuss about the conflicts also we will discuss about. Okay, so hope you understood. One more numerical example I will discuss with you. Okay.